Thank you, Madam Speaker.
It's a procedure matter,
Madam Speaker.
And I know you have allowed me to speak.
Madam Speaker, I want to
let
raise...
your senior just raise something, then you bring your procedure.
Madam Speaker, I want to raise an issue concerning a road from Yumbe town to a river called Ore, which is in the border with the Yumbe and Terego. In 2018, JICA, Japanese Agency for Development, gave 24.5 million USA dollars to work on that road. And it is 23.5 kilometers. Since 2018 up to now, government has never committed any counterpart funding to pay project affected persons. And this was a grant given in relation to a hosting of refugees. Madam Speaker, many times in Parliament, we apply for loans as a government, and some of these loans they even got from commercial institutions at a very high interest rate. But I'm wondering as to why government cannot take advantage of a grant that is to work on this road. When we had a meeting with JICA in June, they had said the money is depreciating. Instead of this money working on 23.5 kilometers due to depreciation, the current money can only work on 14 kilometers. So sometimes we also wonder about government decisions. Secondly, the road between Koboko, Yumbe, Moyo has a lot of contradictions. The grant which was given by World Bank was given in 2020. Compensation started in 2021. This project should have started by January 2023. It is supposed to be a 3 years project, that is 36 months.
Thank you.
But due to contradictions of procurement, we lost 15 months.
Thank you.
When we had a meeting with the World Bank, Madam Speaker, they said the project spillover may be handled by government. But right now, as we talk, there are also other contradictions that have come, that there are environmental related challenges. And yet, on 16th of April, we had a meeting with the World Bank team. They said all the contradictions concerning that road were handled, there's no problem. But now we are saying there's another challenge. So as of now, we have lost almost 2 years. We are left with just 17 months to work on this road. But should the road not be completed within that project period, we are also worried that this same road will have a challenge. So we really need explanation from government on these two areas as to why these issues cannot be handled. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for the opportunity.
Thank you. There was a procedure matter.